day everyone, and welcome to our next lesson for quarter 2, which is algebraic expressions. Our most essential learning competencies in these lessons are: the learner should translate English phrases to mathematical phrases and English sentences to mathematics sentences and vice versa. Second, illustrates and differentiates related terms in algebra, such as a raised to n, where n is a positive integer, constants and variables, literal coefficients and numerical coefficients, algebraic expressions, terms and polynomials, numbers of term, degree of the term, and degree of the polynomial. To begin with our lesson, let's have this introduction. In the English subject, you learn about phrases and sentences. Mathematics has also mathematical phrases and sentences. You have to translate verbal phrases to mathematical symbol to form mathematical phrases. Mathematical phrase consists of operational symbols like plus sign, minus sign, open and close parentheses, or multiplication sign, division sign, or slash. There is corresponding word for these symbols. Aside from operational symbols, it also includes variables and numbers. In mathematics, you cannot do away with symbols. Mathematical word problems cannot be solved unless you translate it into symbols. Symbols used for operations are called operational symbols, while symbols used to determine relation between quantities are called relational symbols. Let's have these operational symbols and words associated to symbols. Let's have first the plus sign. The words associated to symbols is plus, add, increased by, more than, sum of. Next operational symbol is minus sign. The words associated to this symbol is minus, subtract from, decreased by, diminished, difference. Next is multiplication sign. The words associated to this symbol are multiply, multiplied by, the product of, times, or no symbol between variables means multiplication. Next is division sign or bar. The words associated to this symbol are divide, quotient, and ratio. Next we have is involution or exponents. The word associated to this symbol is raised to the power of, squared, cube, and so on. Next is evolution or radical sign. The words associated to this symbol, nth roots, where n is any positive integer. In grammar, a phrase is a group of words that does not express complete thoughts. Mathematical phrase does not express a complete thought also unless it becomes an equation. Examples. Translate the following to mathematical symbols. First example, thrice the sum of 5 and a number. Our solution, let m be the number. Sum of 5 and number, so we have 5 plus m. Then thrice means 3 times. Therefore, the mathematical phrase is 3 times 5 plus m. Our second example, subtract 2/3 of the number from 30. Solution. Let x be the number. Then 2/3 of the number, the word of means multiply. Therefore, we have 2/3 times x, or 2/3 x. Therefore, the mathematical phrase is 30 minus 2/3 x. Third example. 1/2 the square root of twice the square of the number. Our solution? Let y be the number. Twice the square of the number. So we have 2y squared, because that is twice the square of the number. Then square root of 2y squared. The square root of 2y squared. Therefore, the mathematical phrase is square root of 2y squared over 2, because it is half. 1/2 the square root of twice the square of the number. Fourth example. Translate 2x minus 5 to verbal phrase. Our solution, 2x means twice a number. Possible verbal phrase that we have, twice a number decreased by 5, or subtract 5 from twice a number. In the above examples, the mathematical phrases are called algebraic expressions. Algebraic expression can be a number, a single variable, or a combination of letters, numbers, and operational symbols. Examples. We have 3m, -5x, 3y, 7xy are algebraic expressions with one term. Next example, we have 4x squared minus 8xy and xy plus 5 are algebraic expressions with two terms. Terms in algebraic expression are separated by plus or minus signs. When the operations between variables or variable and a number is multiplication or division, it is considered as one term only. 4xyz is a single term algebraic expression, so as since the operations involved are multiplication and division. Algebraic expressions are named according to number of terms. First, we have monomial, is an algebraic expression with one term. Next is binomial, is an algebraic expression with two terms. Trinomial is an algebraic expression with three terms. And multinomial or polynomial is an algebraic expression with more than three terms. The degree of the algebraic expressions is the highest exponent of an expression with one variable or the highest sum of the exponents of the variables in a term of the expressions. The constant of the algebraic expression is a number with fixed value. A variable is a letter which represents a number. For example, 5x raised to 4 minus 3x plus 12. The expression is trinomial. The degree is 4, which is the highest exponent. The variable is x, and the constant is 12. Next example is 3x squared yz plus x cubed yz squared minus 2xyz plus 4xy squared z. This is a multinomial with variables x, y, and z. The highest sum of the exponent is 6, which is on the second term. Hence, the degree is 6 and there is no constant in this expression.